If you're shopping for a new washing machine this Black Friday, stay tuned, because the differences between models might surprise you. Today we're ranking 7 washers from the weakest to the absolute best so you can spend your money wisely. Starting off at the bottom of the list, this portable washer comes in as the weakest option. It looks cute and compact, and at first glance it seems like the perfect match for a small apartment or dorm setup. And for what it is, it does a decent job with small loads, and the stainless steel tub gives it more durability than many tiny washers. Where it really falls short is its size. With less than 1 cubic foot of capacity and no hot water support, it simply can't meet the needs of most households. When you line it up next to the rest of the washers in this ranking, this one lands last because it's more of a convenience device than a full laundry solution. That being said, if you live alone and you're tight on space, this could make sense when laundromats are your only other option. For everyone else though, you will definitely want something larger and more capable. Links to all products from the review at the best price are in the description under the video. Next up from the bottom is the Amana model, which lands slightly higher because it moves into the territory of full-size household washers. It's affordable, it's simple to use, and that dual-action agitator gives clothes a solid scrub that many people trust for everyday cleaning. But it still holds back in a few areas. Compared to other full-size washers in this list, the capacity is on the smaller side, and the features are very basic. It's not ENERGY STAR certified, and it lacks modern perks like fast wash options or quieter operation. If you're looking for a reliable machine at a budget price, this one gets the job done without complications. But if you value speed, energy savings, or larger capacity, better choices are definitely coming up in this ranking. And before we move on, if you're finding this countdown helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Next on the list, the Kenmore steps things up with noticeably bigger capacity and rapid wash capabilities. If you want a washer that blasts through family laundry fast, this one shines. That triple action agitator does a great job tackling tough stains, and the quick cycles are a huge time saver. However, it still skips ENERGY STAR certification and can be a little tough on delicate fabrics due to the aggressive agitation. When compared to the models further up the list, the cleaning power is there, but the efficiency and fabric care finesse aren't entirely on the same level. This washer fits best for someone with a busy household and lots of dirty laundry who wants speed and power without paying for high-end bells and whistles. But if you want top energy savings or ultra gentle fabric care, keep watching. We're just getting to the really good stuff. Coming in right in the middle of the ranking is this portable model, but unlike the first one, this is a serious performer. With a much larger portable capacity and a solid lineup of advanced wash programs, it starts to blur the line between portable and full size. Turbo wash, hygiene modes, and automatic cleaning really elevate it above basic compact washers. Still, as good as it is, it's not a complete replacement for a full-size machine. It doesn't have the spin power that larger models do, and bulky items might still need a trip to a laundromat. Once you compare it to the top 3, the gap in power and convenience becomes more noticeable. This one is perfect for people who want portability but don't want to compromise on features. If you're in an apartment that doesn't allow a standard laundry hookup, this could be a lifesaver, but if you can install a full-size washer, the next models are definitely worth a look. Entering the top 3, Samsung brings a very strong balance of size and features. The large capacity, quiet operation, and smart diagnostics make everyday laundry feel smooth and stress-free. If you're constantly washing big loads, this one keeps up without sounding like it's about to take off. Where it loses a few points is in premium features. There's no steam or sanitize cycle, and it's not ENERGY STAR certified, so although it's big and convenient, it doesn't quite offer the full package that the very top contenders do. This washer is ideal for households that want quiet performance, a modern interface, and great reliability without paying a high premium. It's a rock-solid choice, but the next 2 models outclass it in both capability and efficiency. In second place is this front-load Kenmore that combines high-capacity washing with advanced cleaning technology. Steam cleaning, a true express wash, and Energy Star efficiency make it great for both stain removal and utility bills. It's the kind of washer that delivers premium performance without going overboard in price. The trade-offs here are mostly about installation and maintenance. Like most front loaders, it's heavy, requires good leveling, and needs occasional drum cleaning. For some households, that's no big deal. For others, it's a deal breaker. If you want a washer that hits the sweet spot between performance and efficiency, this one is an excellent choice. And if you're ready for the absolute top performer in today's ranking, let's get into number 1. Taking the crown as the number 1 washer in this ranking is the Kenmore model at the top. It includes everything the previous one does, but with a bit more refinement in controls and usability. Fast washing, energy efficiency, powerful stain removal, and excellent fabric protection make this washer a complete package. There's very little to complain about here besides the same front loader installation considerations. It's heavy and needs good leveling, but if you're looking at this category anyway, that won't be a surprise. This is the washer for someone who wants incredible cleaning performance, fast turnaround times, and long-term energy savings all in one machine. If it fits your space and your budget, it's the strongest buy in the lineup. If any of these washers caught your attention, take a look at the links in the description for the best prices on the top models from this review. And before you head out, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss more buyer-focused breakdowns just like this one.